Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara, and in today's video I am going to be painting a vase to create a stoneware look. I was inspired by this vase that I have here at home. I did purchase this at Joann's and it was $24.99, but I got it for 50% off, so I paid like $13 for it or so after tax. And it's just a very pretty stoneware. It has like brown at the bottom, like a cream colored here, a little bit more brown at the top. And yes, I just want to recreate this look for something under $5. And I did paint this one already. I did buy this little guy at the Dollar Tree, and this is what I got. So this is what inspired me, and this was the look that I did get. So you can see them side by side. The one that I painted, this is the texture up close. So in today's video, I'm just going to be painting a bigger version of this one. And you can buy your vase from the Dollar Tree, a thrift store, or if you already have one at home. Now let's get started on this video. And all you will need to recreate this look is a glass vase of your choice, a sponge brush or a paintbrush, brown and white paint, and some baking soda. I have the white paint on this plate, and what I'm going to do now is going to add some of the baking soda. And all you want to do is add enough baking soda to get like a creamy consistency. So I kind of want to say it's like half paint, half baking soda. This is what I have. So I have the paint here and the baking soda, and I'm just gonna grab my paintbrush and I'm gonna kind of just mix those in together, kind of using like a dabbing motion. I'm gonna start off by painting the whole vase white, and once I get the coverage and texture that I like, I'm gonna let that sit and dry, and then we're gonna go in with our brown paint. And you can leave it as smooth or as textured as you would like. To get a more smoother look, you just use less paint, and to get more texture, you just use more paint. And I painted that smaller one yesterday just for like trial, just to see how the paint holds up. And it actually dried up really pretty and really nice. Like there's no chipping or nothing's like flaking off. So now that it's all covered in that white and baking soda mixture, what you want to do is add texture. So now we're just gonna go in by little sections and then just keep doing that dabbing motion to create that stoneware texture. And for my preference, I really like a good texture on it. I really like the look of the like kind of bumpiness. And then just keep doing this until you find your desired look. And this is what it looks like up close. And this is good for me. I really like how it looks. I like the texture. It looks like everything's pretty much covered. I'm going to let it sit and dry, and then after this dries, we're gonna go in with the brown tones. I'm just gonna sit it upside down like this to let it dry. So now this is completely dry. I'm gonna turn it upside down, and I'm just going to fix any spots up at the top that need paint. Since I did have it upside down, I'm just going to add a little bit more white paint up here. So now we're going to set the white paint to the side, and now we're going to use our brown paint to add some of that brown texture to it. And you can use as little or as much of the brown as you want. Once again, I am just using small, very little brown paint and then small dabbing motions. So it kind of looks like this, but don't worry, because we're gonna go and kind of blend everything in with the white paint afterwards. And there's hardly any paint on my brush, so now I'm just kind of dabbing to create that ombre look. So I'm just going to add the brown around the bottom like this. And then once again, we're gonna do that same ombre look. So now that we have the brown paint at the top and of the bottom of the vase, what I'm going to do is grab more white paint and then just put it over that brown paint just to kind of make sure everything blends in together. And I'm also just making sure there's no harsh lines. So I'm going to keep my little vase here close to this one so that I can mimic the same look. Okay guys, and this is the final look of the vase. This is what it turned out to look like. This was the inspired look. They aren't identical, but it is that same stoneware look that I was going for. This is what it looks like next to the little one that I painted yesterday. And I think they just look super pretty sitting right next to each other like this on a shelf with nothing in them. Or you can sit them on top of your coffee table with some beautiful floral picks. What I love about the neutral tones that I chose is that you can use them all year long in your house decor. And these are just some ideas on what you can fill your vase up with. Everything that you do see here is stuff that I have picked from outside. These are all from a camping trip that we did one year, and we just picked all different kinds of floral stems, and I've had them for like 3 years, and I just dried them, and this is what they look like, perfect for the fall. Another idea is you can just put some wooden spoons and set them on your kitchen counter. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like the vase. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.